Today in the mail, I got a big box from Matchbox Mark. He said he was sending me something. I had no idea it was going to be a huge box. And I'm really curious what's in here. I'm really curious. So let's find out. Mark is, if you don't already subscribe to his channel, you need to go check out his YouTube channel. He does, oh wow, he does great work. And, oh wow, let me move the knife out of the way. Oh, here's a card. Oh, here, that shows you where he's at. There's his YouTube address. But he does great builds, and he is truly just the nicest guy. And let's see. Dear Jim, as you know, I do a lot of Lesney fleet restos. Well, I have so many extras that I thought I would compile a few and send them to you so you can work your magic. You've done quite a few Lesney restos, so here are a few you can have fun with. I certainly hope that JB Weld might make an appearance. Oh, there's always a good chance of that. You're such a blessing to the community with your cool or not giveaways and your Silva challenges. Happy building, Matchbox Mark. Well, thank you, Mark. I truly appreciate everything you do in the community. And, ooh, this is cool. Sorry, I was distracted by the shiny object. Oh, that is cool. That is really cool. Lesney Matchbox Series King Size K8. That is nice. I've got to do something with that. Oh, this. I've never seen this. It's a Hot Wheels line repair, and it has the scoop and pipes. That could be fun to do something with. Let me, oh wow. Oh, now that's just silly, Mark. Hang on, let me move the box out of the way. Oh, move the box out of the way. The reason I said that was silly is he basically sent, check this out. It's the TV service van, but he's even included the decals and the parts. I mean, thank you, Mark, but you should have just kept this and done it. But no, that's cool. Now I'm definitely going to do that. Wow, thanks, Mark. That's cool. The models of yesteryear. I remember the models of yesteryear. Jeez, when I was a kid. Oh, man. This is crazy. I mean, there's so many that I remember from my childhood, like this one. The airport crash, I mean, and definitely, yeah, this one. But the airport crash tender, other than missing some of the stuff on the top, look at what good shape, like the wheels are great on that. Ah, the BP tow truck. Oh, and it has the hook. I better be careful with that. I don't want to break the hook. These are great, Mark. Oh, yeah. The Elvis Stalwart. Yeah, I did one of those differently. And I can't remember. I did it as, I think, a rescue vehicle of some kind. Man, it's been a while. I've got tape stuck to me here. That's good. Fire truck. What's that? That's what a Land Rover. I was thinking, man, that has a familiar kind of look to it. I could be wrong, but this trailer looks kid painted. Berkeley Cavalier. And it has a top to it, because I know there's some other trailers that had like a plastic top to them. Oh, this is cool. And the plastic tops are always missing. Well, now this is just a bunch of projects for me. This is cool, Mark. I can't get over everything here. Euclid dump truck. The pipe truck. I think I printed out online. There's pipes available, and I remember just printing some out for no reason once. So I know I've got some of those around. E-type Jag. Oh, I definitely remember having this as a kid, the Lincoln Continental. And I think part of the reason I remember it so well is the color. That's kid painted. Is that a Falcon? Oh, Ford Corsair. Oh yeah, definitely not a Falcon. Okay. The better I look at it, I see. What's this, Mark? It looks like you've got all the parts and everything just ready to go here. That's cool. The ambulance, yeah. S&S Cadillac ambulance. Wow, Mark, this is wild. I mean, I know you said you were sending some things, but I thought it was just going to be a few things. The Studebaker Lark Wagoneer. I remember this so much. Oh, it's bent in. They're bent in a little bit, but I can straighten that. I remember that from when I was a kid. I guess it's really telling us how old I was. Oh, that's cool. Fiat 1500. That's great. I just love the size of that. That's cool. Mark, you've given me a bunch of projects to do. And I can't wait to do them. Oh, the bus, the double-decker bus. Oh, man. You know, what's cool? Oh, look, there's two of those. That's great. The Unimog with the tire there. That is... They're fun, too. There's just something about seeing these old Lesney castings, and they're fun. There's just so much fun to them. And as with my recent build, the tank, but need to put the... Okay, I'm getting old. I can't even think of what the tube is that for the tank. Grit spreading truck. I think I did a grit spreading truck recently where I changed the wheels. That's also something that I've seen online, is where people have taken some of the old castings and kept the old look but modernized them with different wheels and had fun with them. And the Ford Anglia #7, check that out. Oh man, Mark, I can't believe that you sent all this stuff. This is fantastic. Ford Zodiac. I don't ever remember the Ford Zodiac. That's cool. That opens. Oh, and there's a spare tire in the front. Oh, check that out. Check out how far back the windshield is. That's a cool looking car. Mercedes scaffolding truck. Oh, I think I saw somebody do one of these recently. Man. Stray tire, I can use that on something else. Mark, this is just wild. Mustang? Yeah, Mustang. What moves on here? Oh, wow. I had no idea. It turns. So neat. Ford Galaxy. Another ambulance. Ben's ambulance. Look, that's in such good condition. It's not the most attractive color, but it's in good condition. Well, Mark, this is just blowing my mind that you sent all of this. These are just so... Oh, wow. Albion Chieftain. Look at that. Look at how tiny the wheels are. That's just... Well, I hope you can tell that... Oh, and this has the hook too. I gotta be careful with those. Ford Zephyr 6. Well, Mark... Actually, 2 stray wheels. Mark, I don't know what to say. This has just blown my mind. Let me move this a little bit here to see a little bit better. I really appreciate this, and I hope you can tell this has just blown my mind. So, thank you so much for this. Everyone, please go check out Matchbox Mark's YouTube channel. And again, thank you so much, Mark. I really appreciate this. This is way too much fun. Thank you. Everybody, thanks for watching. Stay safe and healthy out there. And wow, I'll catch you in the next one.